How about a new super lightweight and also affordable monopod that can be taller than you are? Look no further. This is the YC Onion Tako Nano.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Welcome from NAB 2026. I'm here at the YC Onion booth with Hannah. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
You just introduced another new monopod actually, and we already know the Tako series. So that's the Tako monopod?
Yeah, it's called Tako Nano.
Tako Nano. What makes it nano?
So it's smaller than the micro.
At some point you run out of words, right? It's just like, okay, very cool. So it's very lightweight. Maybe you can just run me through the features.
Okay, so it's also one-hand operation similar to the Python Pro, which we used to publish years before, and it's a bigger one and heavier. So this one just treats the level here, and then you can control his height. And the maximum height for this tube is 141 centimeter. It's about 4.6 feet. And here below we have a hidden legs, so you can just Tracy.
So it's even higher. So okay. So this telescopic function that you can operate from here works except for the last stage. Oh wow, that's really high. Yeah. So the last stage you unscrew and then it goes even higher.
Yeah.
That's very high for a monopod.
Yeah, it's about 172 centimeter, so it's 5.6 feet.
But you actually introduced something which I haven't seen before, at least tripod legs for the monopod.
So actually, it looks like a little tripod, but the position is to change this monopod to a little light stander. So as you can see below, here's a arca switch. So you can take this tube off and then put it on this little tripod. It can be a little light stand. And we have a mount here that you can connect your lights with the monopod.
Very cool. So this would be, yeah, it's of course more stable than a monopod. So it's just like you need a light stand and you have a monopod already just to save space basically, right? In the kit. Yeah.
Actually, you can take it as an all-in-one monopod.
All in one. Yeah, it's interesting. It reminds me a little bit of those photo tripods with a center column, where you pull it out in the middle. But and of course, I mean, if you use this you could use it with a camera too, no? Instead of, I mean, it's just it's more stable than a monopod.
Yeah, it's more stable.
It's not as stable, I guess, as a full-size tripod, but it's somewhere in between, and it would need less footprint, right? If you are somewhere where you don't have so much space, I think it makes sense. Okay, but with this accessory, it basically becomes a light stand.
So we have many combos, and we have the basic version. You can choose your own desire to buy the combos. This one is the professional version. We'll include the mount, the head, and the monopod, and the little tripod.
Okay. What can you tell me about the head, actually?
Oh, so sorry, I need to. So this head is for videographers. As you can see, it's a vertical and horizontal head. You can push the button here and then flip it over. Then you can quickly to change the angle when you're shooting.
Very nice. It looks, is it an actual fluid head or it's like friction based?
Oh, it's a fluid head.
Wow, yeah, it has nice drag features. I mean, that's the one thing that I sometimes miss on small tripods is that you can't really pan with them. This feels like it has the proper resistance, so you can actually use it like for video, for panning and tilting. That's really cool. Yeah.
And it's smooth as it's
Very smooth, yeah, very smooth. What's the payload capacity on this?
It's about 5 kilograms.
5 kilos on this small thing.
Yeah, so it's about 11 pounds.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, great. Yeah, I like this feature that you can do like a vertical. I open it here? No, here.
Here. Just push the button here and then flip it over.
You had this on another tripod or monopod before, no? This feature. No, it's new?
Yeah, it's totally.
That's very cool. Yeah. I mean, a lot of people shoot a lot of vertical videos now, predominantly actually for social media. So it's great to have this option. Yeah. Great. What else is there to say? I mean, you already talked about the legs. I mean, the Arca Swiss at the bottom. It's also just like a
Angle adjust.
you just push your foot down and then you can adjust the angle
And then
and it would
click.
center. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Great. What about pricing availability of the base, like the normal version without the head, with the head, and maybe also the combo version?
Okay, so the basic version, just the monopod, is 129 US dollar, and the professional version, it depends on whether you need a head or you need a little tripod. It would be around 200 US dollar.
Wow, that's very affordable. Wow. Anything else we missed?
Oh, yeah, actually, I think people know what's your name for the Pinter Pro. It's a big one and it's heavier and longer when you are traveling. So this one will be suitable for who often go outside shooting. It's easy to take and go.
What's the weight actually on this?
Oh, less than 1 kilogram.
That's without the head.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, but it's very lightweight. Yeah, it's definitely something you can put in your backpack when you're hiking or going, shooting a small kit.
Yeah.
Perfect. Everything becomes smaller and lighter. I like this trend. We don't carry the heavy cameras anymore as much. Thank you, Hannah. Have a good rest of the show.
Okay, thank you too.
And thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more videos from NAB 2026 and don't forget to like and subscribe.